ABC of Silang. And the roll. Early lead is taken by Market Value, and on the outside, Musashi, Laon-Laan, Action Sailor, and Lakay. And heading for the back stretch, it's Laon-Laan in the lead. Laon-Laan moving up on the inside to grab the lead. Market Value running in second on the outside, and Musashi running in third on the farther outside. And here comes Action Sailor and Lakay. And at the backstretch, it's still Laon-Laan by a length and a half, followed by Market Value in second, and Musashi running in third, Action Sailor on the outside in fourth, and Lakay. At the mid-backstretch, it is still Laon-Laan by half a length, followed by Market Value on the outside in second, and here comes Action Sailor moving up on the farther outside in third, Musashi and Lakay. Rounding the far turn, Laon-Laan by the rail, Market Value moving up on the outside, and closing in third is Action Sailor. The lead is taken over now by Market Value on the outside, and here comes Action Sailor on the farther outside. By the rail is Laon-Laan. The last bend for home, it's Market Value by the rail, followed by Action Sailor on the outside in second. And into the home stretch, it is still Market Value in the lead, followed by Action Sailor on the outside. And Laon-Laan by the rail, and Lakay moving up on the inside. It's Market Value on the outside, Lakay by the rail, and Action Sailor. It's Market Value and Lakay by the rail. It's Market Value on the outside, Lakay by the rail. It's Market Value and Lakay by the rail. And finally at the payoff line, it's a close finish between Lakay, Market Value, Action Sailor, Laon-Laan, and Musashi.